Our friend's condo recently was renovated and they asked me to create some kind of decorations for their family room. So let's just get started. DIY number 1. I'm using this LED paper lantern from Dollar Tree. I'm putting it all together. And I'm using this blue and white rope that I also got from Dollar Tree. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply Gorilla Hot Glue on the lantern, and I'm gonna add it all over the lantern, just like that. I needed a large amount of glue, lots of patience, and lots of time to glue all that rope on the lantern. This is how it's gonna look when it's dark and lightening up. So basically what I'm making is I'm making an Air Hot Balloon. Now when my lantern is all glued, I got 2 wood sticks. I cut them on half and I put the rope on those sticks as well. Next, I got this glass blue jar from the candle section from Dollar Tree. And now those 4 wood sticks, I'm gonna put them on the side. I'm gonna glue them on the side so we can add the balloon on top of that. When all that is done, I'm adding a jute twine so I can make the surface around the sticks nice and sturdy. I added the balloon, I glued it, and now in each wooden stick I'm adding a wooden bead. I'm also adding those wire chains that I got from the garden section from Dollar Tree. I cut them on 4 equal sizes and I'm gonna glue them on each side of the wooden beads, just like that. I'm putting the sea star that it came with that glass jar together, and now I'm adding those white stones from Dollar Tree, and I added a candle, and here is the final look. We have a beautiful Air Hot Balloon for the summer home decor, out decor. I think our friend's son, he's going to love this. The summer pillow that you guys seeing is from Walmart for $5. And the flower, the fresh flower, my husband bought it for me. It's some kind of tropical plant. I can't remember the name. For the next project, I'm using these wooden pallets from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna need 8 of them. So I'm gonna try to make a tray, wooden tray. And as you can see, I'm trying to make just to see how it's gonna look, how best it's gonna look. First, I wanted to make some lanterns, but I changed my mind. I wanted to do a wooden tray. So when I put them all together, now I'm adding a wood glue so I can connect them. Just like that. In the middle of those 3 pallets, I'm gonna add just the little pieces from those wooden sticks so they can be connected. Cutting those 2 pieces just like that. Now I'm gonna add some glue and I'm gonna glue it. Now I added those clips so I can make the tray stay together until it all get glue. And now I got one of those pallets cut on a half. Well, actually I cut one of them, I cut them one by one because I thought I'm only gonna put one, but it's gonna look better with 2 of them, 2 of the woods. So I just cut it on half, and 2 of those wooden sticks gonna come on each side so I can put the handle on top of it. Those beautiful handles I got from Hobby Lobby on sale for 80%, so I got them really cheap, couple of cents. And I think they're gonna look perfect, farm looking for a bachelor condo. And final touch up will be those little squares that I'm gluing on the bottom of the tray, and here's the final look. The next DIY, I'm using those 4 glass vases that I got from Dollar Tree a long time ago. And first I tried to paint them with the ivory chalk paint, but I noticed I don't have a lot of left, so I'm painting them with brown mocha chalk paint all over so I can cover all the glass. I'm also painting those wood picks, and as you can see I got more paint on my gloves than on the surface, but it's okay as long as I have fun. So I'm painting all of them brown so I can make that project. When they're all done painted and dry, I'm using this bench felt protector so I can add those wood picks and I can make some kind of design. So I got 2 sizes of them. I cut them on smaller sizes and bigger sizes. So I'm just making some kind of design. So now when all that is done, I glue the vase on top of it, and now I'm gonna add the other vase on top. And for the final touch-up, I'm airbrushing with ivory all over so I can make a vintage farmhouse looking decor. At the end, jute twine in the middle so I can make a bow.